Need to update your phone number on the Tesco Clubcard app? Here's how, as of October 25th, 2025. First, log into the app using your existing email or phone number. Next, navigate to Account Settings, then Personal Details, and finally select Phone Number. Enter your new phone number and request verification. A one-time code will be sent to either your old phone number or your linked email address. For enhanced security, especially on high-security accounts, you might be asked to upload a photo of your ID within the app. Once verified, the change is immediate, and your old number will be blacklisted to prevent unauthorized reuse. Keep in mind the app requires iOS 14 Plus or Android 10 Plus. The verification process is crucial for protecting your account. It uses two-factor authentication, sending a code to a secondary device or email, in line with OAuth 2.0 standards. This ensures that only you, the account owner, can make changes, preventing identity theft. These steps align with zero-trust security models, where no action is trusted without explicit proof. The app also complies with UK data protection regulations and Tesco's privacy policy, logging all changes for audit trails. If you enter the code incorrectly multiple times, your account may be temporarily locked to prevent fraud. Remember, Tesco introduced biometric verification options in June 2025, such as facial recognition, for sensitive actions like changing phone numbers.